Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our trip on Louisiana Highway 18 and we begin at the St. Charles Parish line in the unincorporated community of Ama. A post office was established here in 1891. Ama is named for the first postmaster's daughter, Ama Parish. As of the 2010 census, Ama has a population of 1,285. St. Charles Parish was formed in 1807 following the Louisiana Purchase. It was originally part of the German coast, an area along the east bank of the Mississippi River that was settled by numerous German pioneers in the 1720s. This was historically an area of sugarcane plantations. The parish includes territory on both sides of the river. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And hit the like button if you enjoy our videos. We enter the unincorporated community of Luling, which had a population of 12,119 at the 2010 census. On the left, LA-52 connects with LA-18, and the ramp up the levee on the right used to lead to a ferry landing. Before the Ama and Luling Bridge was completed in 1983 connecting the communities of Ama and Luling, automobile ferries connected the towns. On October 20th, 1976, one of these ferries, the George Prince, was struck by a tanker and capsized as it crossed the Mississippi River. 78 passengers and crew perished. Ahead we can see the bridge over the river, named for Louisiana Senator Hale Boggs. The bridge carries Interstate 310, which connects the town of Booty on the west bank with I-10 and Kenner on the east bank. We conclude today's video as we enter the community of Hahnville. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.